Hello everyone. So in this video, we're going to explore some of the extended features of DS Titan. In the standard basic version, you can go to any AliExpress page, import products, and export them directly to an eBay listing, which is a great feature for scaling your dropshipping business from one product to 100. But if you're interested in getting even bigger than that, we have the Discover feature built directly into the application. So, with the Discover feature, you can discover products that have high margins directly from within the DS Titan webpage. For instance, after visiting the Discover tab, you can see all of the products, the AliExpress price, the average dropshipper price, the average daily orders, and the number of competitors on eBay for that product. Depending on your preferences, you can sort by any of these columns to discover which ones would be right for you. For example, the Sunny Angel is selling for $18.51 on AliExpress, and the average drop shipping price is $48.97. There's usually about 500 daily orders for this product, and there are a decent number of competitors, 106 competitors. If I was to open this product page and start the import, I can see that there's actually a welcome deal for individuals who don't yet have an account on AliExpress of 34% off. So you can purchase this for $12.34, and it's roughly a 400% margin on this product. So going back to DS Titan, you can see that there is a large number of products here, roughly 20,000 to filter and search from. You can use the search functionality here to find a particular product. So if you're searching for phone cases, you can go ahead and do a search here to find a product that matches exactly what you're looking for and what your niche is. So I encourage you to check this out. This product is available on the professional tier. If you haven't upgraded your account yet, you can switch to the professional plan for $29.99 a month. This plan includes the profitable product directory. Thank you for watching. When you have a moment, please visit the product page to discover your next profitable products.